Hi, I'm Lauren from American Duchess, and today I'm going to show you how to use a Victorian button hook. In the 19th and 20th centuries, shoes and boots often buttoned closed. Shoes usually had 1 to 4 buttons each, but button boots, popular from the 1850s onward, could have anywhere from 5 to 10 to 15 buttons each. That's 10 buttons, 20 buttons, 30 buttons. But a staple of every Victorian lady's wardrobe was the button hook. This tool made it quick and easy to do up all those boot buttons as well as tight bodice buttons. I'm going to demonstrate on a pair of American Duchess Tavistock Victorian button boots. These are real button boots. There's no Velcro, there's no zippers, they're totally functional. And when you purchase a pair of these from AmericanDuchess.com, so how does it work? Simply pass the hook through the buttonhole, hook the steel shank of the button, and pull it through with a twisting motion. The first time you do it, it'll feel clumsy, but you'll get the hang of it, and before you know it, you'll be doing up your buttons in a flash. Usually you're better with one hand than the other. You can find original button hooks in antique stores, the flea markets, and sometimes in your grandma's kitchen drawer. Or you can get a pretty reproduction button hook with a pair of Victorian button boots, or individually in the accessories section at AmericanDuchess.com. Hope this was helpful. Go forth and button thine boots. Have fun, and thank you for watching. My button hook's sticking out. Let's just set that down. Just set it down.